beautiful people, how are you all doing today? I know you're fine, to the glory of the Lord. Yes, I know you're fine, because if God be for us, who can be against us? Nobody. You all are welcome. My old subscribers, my new subscribers, you all are welcome. You know, I told you that you'll be seeing a lot of things here in this channel. DIY sewing, a lot of things in this channel. You can be seeing it, expect it anytime, any day. Okay, for some months I can just do DIY, for some months I can encourage, for some months I can sew, for some months I can vlog. Depends on the one I can do at that time. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I made my body scrub. If you are be wasting money to go and be buying body scrub in the supermarket, don't waste it anymore. Welcome to Divine's channel. Let's go and start. This body scrub is so good and simple and rich. You will find everything we use in this body scrub in your kitchen. Okay, so you need to scrub your body once in a while. Maybe you have dark skin, you have a combination skin. So before you use any cream, there are some people that need scrubbing before cream will work for them. Okay, just scrub yourself 10 minutes before you go, or 15 minutes before you go and take your bath if you are having a excuse skin, so that it will blend together. Everything will blend together. You can use it for your hand too. There are some people, when they shake your hands, oh my god, it's like they want to hook your hand. You can use it to scrub your hand too. You can use it to scrub your lips too. There are some people, their lips is darker than their body. You can use it to scrub. Even you can use it to scrub all over your body. You'll be good to go. Let's go and start so that I will not waste your time. If you want me to do any video, or just write it down below, I'll be glad to do it. Thank you for coming. Let's go start. So this is brown sugar. This is brown sugar. There is nothing add to it. It's just brown sugar. This is white sugar, because I'm going to be doing two types. This is honey. So this is carrot. We need the carrot juice. Okay, so this is milk, and this is lemon. So lemon. So this ingredient is what we are going to be using today. If you find your kitchen, you will see all these things is there. Okay, but this carrot, I need the juice. If you don't want carrot, you can skip it. So I'm going to do it in my juicer, but if you don't have juicer, just blend it in the blender and use your filter to sip the water out. So this is it. This is the liquid that we want from the carrot. But if you don't have carrot, you can leave that. Okay, you know, carrots have something like whitening substance inside. Is very good for glowing skin and a lot of things. Okay, so the sugar, I'm going to be opening it right now. I'm going to be opening it. Depends on if you want to do for a week down, for 2 weeks down, you can do it and just keep it in your fridge. Okay, so I'm going to be adding 3 or 4 spoons of the brown sugar. So you see the way it is. You can see brown sugar in any supermarket. Okay, you can see brown sugar in Willis. In any supermarket you can see brown sugar. Even white sugar is there. You have it in your kitchen. So I'm going to be cutting this lemon, this lime. I'm going to be pressing it inside. So I don't know if you are seeing it well, because the camera, pardon me, I'm going to fix it right. So I've put a lemon. So now I'm going to add a teaspoon of honey. Depends on the way you are doing it, depends on the quantity you are doing. So I don't want it to be too sticky. So now I'm going to be adding the 1 spoon of the carrot juice for the whitening substance. It's very good to glow your skin and to remove the dead skin. Remove the dead skin from your skin. When you have dead skin, when you have squeezing skin, when your skin is not welcoming, it will make it to look glow. Just do your scrub as you can be able to do it. You can use it every day, but I will advise for you to use it maybe 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week. Even once in a week is good. When you scrub once in a week is good, but your lips, try to scrub it like 2 times in a week. So you just this way with gentleness. You just scrub all over your body, all over your body. You just scrub, and know that you're going to bath. Just scrub it like this everywhere in your body, your neck, everywhere from your head to your feet. So just scrub everything. After scrubbing everything 10 to 15 minutes, you just go and rinse it off. You bath and put your cream, even your palms also. You have to scrub it, because when some people shake you, it's like they have nail in their hands, because why? The hand is so strong, they are not scrubbing their hands. You have to be scrubbing your palms maybe 3 times a week. It's very good, so that your hand will soft. And when you finish scrubbing it, just rub shea butter or any hand cream you have with you in the house. There are cheap hand cream in the supermarket, but if you don't want to go for that, olive oil is good for your hand. Shea butter is good for your hand too. You shake me, you see it will be soft. So soft. So that is it, guys. So all these ingredients, as I said before, they're in your kitchen. So I'm going to be turning it now. You see, very simple. I'm through with it. I can use this one once all over my body. I'm going to use this once all over my body. I'm going to be using it tonight all over my body, from my hair to my feet. I'm going to be scrubbing it. Just sit down in the bedroom and just take one time to pet yourself in a week, okay? So you see, I've washed the one in my hands away. So now I just rub it with my shea butter. It will be sparkly and so soft like a baby. It will be so soft. So the second one is what I'm going to be doing, which is the white sugar. It's very good, very good, very good, very good. White sugar is in your kitchen. White sugar is in your kitchen. Don't worry, I'm going to be bringing a lot of DIY here in this channel. As a Christian, we need some things at home we don't know that can help us. Simple things that can help us. The Bible says we should be modest. Things that is not costly, that is in our kitchen that we can use, or cheaper things that we can use that is not too costly. So I'm adding milk. I've added honey. So now I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of carrots, liquid carrots, the liquid. So I'm going to be adding it to it. I love carrot because it's very good. Carrots don't make your skin go darker. Carrot make your skin a little bit one shade brighter. Yes, it's very good natural substance to a little bit brighten your skin. So carrots have it. So you just use it. You see the color, so beautiful, so beautiful. When you use this to scrub your body, you will see the way it will look like. Your body will be so soft, so soft and beautiful. So I'm turning it now because I'm done with it. So guys, you see the way it's very simple and easy. You have just make 2 scrub now, just in our kitchen. So simple, so simple, guys. So you use it to scrub your hands. Don't be lazy to take care of yourself with the ingredients that you have in your kitchen, okay? Don't be a 13 years old person. Don't be a 30 years old person and you look like a 60 years old person. You say, no, I don't have money to take care of myself. No, there are things in your kitchen. Honey is in your kitchen. Milk is in your kitchen. Sugar is in your kitchen. Lemon is in your kitchen. I know you have it all. White sugar is in your kitchen, lovers. Bye bye, guys. I love you all. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like, press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload. Bye bye.